Hello guys, welcome back with me, Praditya Balamanto. Today I will introduce you to the article review. Then I have 5 article review points. The first is introduction, the second is theory, the 3 of methods, the 4 is result, the 5 is conclusion. This friend were part of the main topic.
We will article review about advances in accounting. Okay, before we start, let's introduce group 8 member. 1. Praditya Bayu Hananto. 2. Rizal Hanif Mustafa. 3. Fauzan Indra. 4. Nofrizal Win Febrianto. Introduce chapter. Background. This study examines the effect of openness and the nature of authoritarian personality on project manager evaluation discussion. Gap research. Previous accounting studies like David Desert and Cobb 2006, Desert and Lord 109,094, Lord and Desert 2001 have recognized the adverse effect of compliance pressure on individual judgment and discussion. But to that, little is known about how pressure adherence influence an individual escalation behavior. In addition, the escalation of the previous commitment literature has not considered the joint effect of complex pressure and the personal nature of authoritarian individual on their tendency to increase their commitment to projects that fail or are not profitable. Research question. How does the impact of personal and authoritarian pressure on project manager discuss evaluation? Research purpose. The study extends the escalation of commitment literature by examining the impact of openness pressure and the personality trait of authoritarian on manager project evaluation discussion. Theory chapter. Theory. Against theory as the basic of theoretical framework. Previous study. Exchange Hall 190,086. Peter Beckman and McKee 2001. Peter and Dema 2000 show that as high and low authoritarian individuals differ in the way they create and iterate information. Hypothesis development. The project manager who agrees will show the majority of things that need to be fixed and personal information will discuss the bigger ones to fix the failed project from the project manager who research on or know the disrequirement under personal information condition. A low authoritarian project manager will show greater commitment to increase from a high level and will show to increase commitment to pressure. Method capture. Research method. A controlled laboratory experiment was conducted to test the proposed hypothesis. Subject. The participants consisted of 1,022 undergrad students enrolled in a management accounting course at a large Australian university. Procedure. In a management accounting course, the students were taught about the concept and issue related to capital budget and various evaluation techniques. Analysis tool. Varanga preferential response analysis of variance, ANOVA, and Bonvarious statistics result capture. The result suggestion that project manager have a higher inclination to explain their commitment to a failing project in the presence of immense pressure. The result further reveal the project manager tendency to exclaim is most promised in a private information situation and in a open pressure condition. In addition, the result suggests the slow authoritarian project manager exhibit a greater tendency to continue a failing project regardless of the extent of open pressure under private information condition. Furthermore, weak authoritarian project manager exhibit a greater tendency to continue a failing project only when obvious pressure was present under private information condition. Conclusion chapter. Conclusion. Our study builds this line of research by proposing that complex pressure is a factor that can drive manager escalation behavior. Limitation. Limitation in study 1. The study relies on experiment method. 2. Most of study on the escalation of commitment, which relies on agent theory as the basic for their theoretical framework, have considered only one simple principal agent model. Implication. The study also answers questions regarding authoritarian project manager influence their decision. Future research. Future research shall discuss more complex relations involving multi-principal and multi-agent.
Then that's all the videos from our group 8. Thank you for today and thanks for watching. See you next time guys. Bye bye.